Skeleton has 206 bones and an adult. Babies have 270, which fuse for this result. The skeleton is divided into two main zones, which are called the axial and appendicular bones. The axial skeleton is topped by the skull. Your brain is in the cranium, which acts as a whole. The mandible or jawbone is able to expand, which is useful for talking, as you can understand. The ossicles are small bones found inside your ear, the malleus and stapes, which all help you hear. Sound waves are amplified by these three bones, and then move to the cochlea, which discerns the tones. The ribcage helps to protect the lungs and the heart, with 12 ribs on each side, the sternum in the front. Your vertebral column, made up of vertebrae, are stacked up very neatly in a vertical array. The cervical vertebrae make up your neck. The spinal cord keeps your reflexes on deck. The ribs are supported by thoracic vertebrae. Lumbar ones are at the end of the spinal cord pathway. 5 sacral vertebrae are fused to form your sacrum, which holds your upper body and is found in your bum. Below it is the coccyx, or the tailbone. In humans, the coccyx has not really grown. The appendicular skeleton, 126 bones, in shoulders, arms, and legs, as we have here shown. Your scapula, also known as your shoulder blade, next to the clavicle or collarbone is laid. You have 3 arm bones, 1 above and 2 below. Here they come together to meet at the elbow. The bones of the forearm are the ulna and the radius, the humerus in the upper arm, so don't you forget this. You have 54 bones in 1 hand and 1 wrist. Of carpals, metacarpals, and phalanges these consist. The proximal, intermediate, and distal phalanges make up your fingers, which you can move with ease. Remember that your hands are where you find the carpals, and the feet are where you will find all your tarsals. The hip bone can be divided into 3, the ilium, ischium, and pubis, as you can see. The bones in your leg, well, there are 4. The patella is your kneecap, and then there are 3 more. The tibia and fibula are found below the knee, and the femur's found above it, as we can all agree. There are 52 bones in your ankles and your feet. Once you know the hand bones, these will be